Yes, come on the next question. See here, cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A equal to 2 sec A. This you have to find out. I am taking LHS here and taking LCM of it. Okay, clearly I have to solve this LHS and get RHS here. See, what is LHS? LCM 1 plus sin A into cos A, this is the LCM of it. Now see, 1 plus sin A divided by it, then this into this. This will be cos square A. Okay, this will cut, this is remaining. This will be 1 plus sin A whole square. So what to do? What to do here? Denominator will be as it is 1 plus sin A into cos A. Getting? See here, what is this? Is your cos square A. This is A plus B whole square. A square plus 2 AB. A is 1, B is sin A plus B square. This plus this is 1. Sin square A plus cos square is 1 here, like sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Okay, this is 1 and this 1 is already here 1. This is your 2 sin A upon here 1 plus sin A into cos A. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. This is 2 plus 2 sin A upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. Getting? Take out 2 common from it. This is 1 plus sin A here and denominator 1 plus sin A into cos A. Cos 1 plus sin A to 1 plus sin A cut. This is your 2 upon cos A. Getting? Now what we know, earlier we have seen, what we have seen, that is cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Okay, then what is sec theta? We can write this is your 1 upon cos theta. It means 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. So this will be 2 sec A and this is your RHS. Getting? Simply take LCM. After that solve this A plus B whole square, then use first identity, then this will make 1, 1 plus 1, 2, then you take common from it. See, if I take common, this is the remaining part, this we will cut, this is 2 upon cos A, this will become sec A, 2 sec A is your answer. This is your RHS also. Yes, come on here. This is our question. LHS part is this. Sin A plus cos A k whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. This is your question. Now I'm writing a solution. What is A plus B whole square just like? And what is A plus B whole square? I think you all are class 10 student. A square plus 2AB plus B square. See here. A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay, this is of A plus B square this and A plus B square this again. A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay. Now see, this sin square A plus cos square A is what? 1. This is 1. Both gone. And sin A into cos A is also 1. Okay, this is 1, then what is remaining? 2. Then cos A square A as it is. Here same. Cos A into sec A is what? 1. 1 into 2 is 2. And sec square A is as it is. Now count. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. Now what is formula of cosec square A? What is cosec square theta? 1 plus cot square theta. So on place of this I am writing 1 plus cot square A. And here 1 plus tan square A. So 5 plus 1 6 and plus 1 7. 7 only we want here. 7 plus tan square A is tan square A plus cot square A is cot square A. This is your RHS. Okay, like this you can get easily this LHS is equal to RHS. One of again good question.